Hi everyone, I have the new paper pumpkin to share. This is the June 2019 A Little Smile paper pumpkin kit. Let's take a look at the stamp set. Okay, here it is up close. So cute with a sand dollar, a little starfish, some coral, and 5 sentiments. Let's see, you made my day special. You are amazing. Thank you, it means so much. Just a little smile, and my day is better because of you. So it's all about thank you and sending little smiles. And with the little theme in mind, they are small cards. The stamp spot is Coastal Cabana, which is awesome. I don't think we've had this color in quite a long time. So that is a good addition. Let's take a look at what's inside. This is really cute, I have to say. Look at these tiny little note cards. So these wouldn't be for mailing, these would be for adding to a little gift. This is to send a little smile. Great for a coworker or teachers. Give them a little bag of chocolate or something, and some cute little cards. These envelopes are adorable. So you've got printed envelopes, got a little beech wood, whitewashed wood, and some little images on the envelopes. Very cute. There are some linen thread. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is little die cuts. So you've got some little coral pieces in vellum, little cute little coral. So these are all little die cuts, and I'm going to leave those in there. This is a little pouch, so you can put your cards in there and keep them with you. And if you ever need to give a little thank you, write a quick thank you out for somebody. This would be good to give to someone who helped you out too, like maybe you know, a librarian, or someone at the store who helped you find something. Just a little thank you, just something you can give to someone to make them have a smile. Really cute printed card bases. These are really pretty watercolor washes on some of those. Very cute. Little banners. Here's some little elements. You've got palm trees and some sand. Some little palm fronds. Some more labels. Look at glitter sand dollars, very fun, and starfish, and of course some adhesives, and your instructions. So this is a very cute paper pumpkin. I hope you check it out. If you didn't get it, contact me. I always get several, so then I can let people have them who didn't quite subscribe in time. So let me know if you would like a little smile June 2019 paper pumpkin kit, and I'll let you know if I still have some. And subscribe so that next time you won't miss out. And there is a new kit coming every month. If you subscribe by the 10th, you get it. And next month it's supposed to be fun coordinating kit that goes with several different catalog sets. So that'll be fun. You won't want to miss that. And I think there'll be a sneak peek soon. You can check out for sneak peeks all the time. I always post them on my Facebook page under bethspapercuts.com or my blog. And I'd be happy to answer any questions about paper pumpkin that you might have. Thanks for watching. Bye.